Well, what a close we saw for the markets today. In fact, we had a slow start and we're trending above 11,200, cooling off a touch. And then, of course, we broke the news that reports are suggesting Reliance Retail is looking to invest in Amazon here in India. And that led to, of course, a spike in RIL closing above 2,070 and also helping the markets to close near the day's high, in fact at about 11,215, up 0.7% on the Nifty and the Sensex today. It was quite an action-packed day otherwise as well. We had a stellar listing, Rossari Biotech, that was up 77% on close at 752. That's where that one closed off. So lots of excitement that we saw in trade. Other than that, a couple of other movers today. Divi's Labs, BEML, Eicher Motors, in fact, that's been consecutively moving higher and had a very strong move in today's session as well. Another good day for Indian Oil, that was up 2.5%. Asian Paints, ITC ahead of numbers, a 2% uptick coming in there. And SBI was a star from the banking pack, up over 3%. Also an ICICI Bank up close to 4% in today's session. Kotak also from the banking and financial space was looking good. Elsewhere in the auto pack, we had Bajaj Auto, M&M all managing to hold fort. Bajaj Auto also looking stable post earnings and commentary coming in. Maruti also up another 0.7% or so today. Pharma majors stood out, Cipla, DRL both looking healthy in today's session, and amongst the broader market names, the likes of a Shriram Transport, for example, Dilip Bilcon was up about 10% or so. Divi's Labs, as I mentioned, stood out. Hindustan Zinc has also been seeing some steady buying coming in. Mid-cap pharma names also like a Natco Pharma, for example, also standing out in trade. Natco, in fact, up 8%. India Mart, Intermesh was also up about 8-9%. So you can see how a whole host of names have been looking good so far. In terms of the losers, IT lagged in today's session after recent run-ups. Cement also was lagging, even though Ambuja and Focus on the back of earnings. Future Retail on the downside. Axis Bank cooled off as well after a recent run-up. So those were a couple of names on the lower end that didn't really participate in the move that we saw today.